Hello viewers, so let's take a quick tour on this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex priced at 220 million naira. Nothing much to see here. We just have an ample parking space that can take up to 2 cars. The design is simple, functional, and well finished. If you're new on my channel, you want to quickly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and let's keep the conversation going. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you can see further housing tours and further future investment opportunities. Welcome home. Okay, so this is the ambience of the estate. We have other houses springing up. So this unit is sold. This is the unit we are going to be touring. So let's go. So, like I said, the car park can take 2 or 3 cars depending on the size of your car. It's not so spacious. Then it's a semi-detached. It does not have a pool, so there is nothing really much to see at the back, just this, okay? It has a tap this way. And I think I love this design here. Then, yeah, there's a mini greenery here, so you can add more. Then, of course, as usual, we are welcomed by our gigantic door. So when you step in, this is your primary living area. That's the TV console. That's your TV console. So let me take you through this way again, just to have a full overview of what the living area looks like. So this is it. Then just underneath the staircase, you have this design here. You can turn this into a mini wine bar, or I don't know, just anything fancy you would like to do with this place will be beautiful. So we have one room downstairs. It's a 4-bedroom. We have one room downstairs, which is not so spacious. That's your wardrobe there. And this is the ensuite bathroom. Okay, so still this way, we have the kitchen. The space is equally not bad. This is what the space looks like. Of course, it has its compartments, has the basics, your 5-burner gas cooker, your heat extractor, your oven, your microwave, and it's space for your freezer. Okay? This door leads you to your backyard. It's currently locked. Okay, so with that said, let's go upstairs. So you have your visitor's restroom over here. So the staircase is sensored. The light comes up and you have a glass handle down here. So let's quickly go upstairs. Let's see what we have there. So this is supposed to be the family lounge. Well, it's not spacious as it should, but this is what they have here. So we have one room here and one room here. So this is the room. Well, just to be fair, the size of the room is not so spacious, but it can get the job done. This is the ensuite. I mean, a 4x4 bed can comfortably be here. Same with this other space here. The 4x4 bed, you can just fix it in. You have your wardrobe there. And of course, every room comes en suite. So that's the masters over there. So the masters comes with a TV console. The masters come with a TV console just over there with the same door leading to the bathroom. Well, this is spacious. This can comfortably take 6x6 bed, and you still have space to play around with any other addition that you would like to add. So you have your bathroom here, you have your bathtub, have your walk-in shower. This is actually, spacious, like there's space to move around. Okay, so let's see the closet. So this is it. So this is the closet for this particular unit for the masters, and you have your balcony down here, and with this you can oversee your neighborhood. So this looks like what you want to get. You're currently in the market looking for a 4-bedroom semi-detached in Ikota GRA. Ikota GRA is close to the Chevron toll gate, right? Close to Orchard, close to the Chevron toll gate. And you're looking for a property within, this is actually 220. It's 220. So you're looking at the property within 200 million to 220 mark. You can consider this. So my name is Joanne. Every other detail that I forgot to say will be in the description. Do well to go through it. Get in contact with me and let's get you home. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.